The first book of Psalms, chapter 111, verses 1 to 10. The first book of Psalms, chapter 112, verses 1 to 10. The first book of Psalms, chapter 113, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 114, verses 1 to 8. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 115, verses 1 to 18. Praise the Lord. I will give thanks to the Lord with my whole heart, in the council of the upright, and in the congregation. 2. The Lord's works are great, pondered by all those who delight in them. 3. His work is honor and majesty. His righteousness endures forever. 4. He has caused his wonderful works to be remembered. The Lord is gracious and merciful. 5. He has given food to those who fear him. He always remembers his covenant. 6. He has shown his people the power of his works, in giving them the heritage of the nations. 7. The works of his hands are truth and justice. All his precepts are sure. 8. They are established forever and ever. They are done in truth and uprightness. 9. He has sent redemption to his people. He has ordained his covenant forever. His name is holy and awesome. 10. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. All those who do his work have a good understanding. His praise endures forever. The first book of Psalms, chapter 112, verses 1 to 10. 1. Praise the Lord. Blessed is the man who fears the Lord, who delights greatly in his commandments. 2. His offspring will be mighty in the land. The generation of the upright will be blessed. 3. Wealth and riches are in his house. His righteousness endures forever. 4. Light dawns in the darkness for the upright, gracious, merciful, and righteous. 5. It is well with the man who deals graciously and lends. He will maintain his cause in judgment. 6. For he will never be shaken. The righteous will be remembered forever. 7. He will not be afraid of evil news. His heart is steadfast, trusting in the Lord. 8. His heart is established. He will not be afraid in the end when he sees his adversaries. 9. He has dispersed. He has given to the poor. His righteousness endures forever. His horn will be exalted with honor. 10. The wicked will see it and be grieved. He shall gnash with his teeth and melt away. The desire of the wicked will perish. The first book of Psalms, chapter 113, verses 1 to 9. 1. Praise the Lord. Praise, you servants of the Lord. Praise the Lord's name. 2. Blessed be the Lord's name, from this time forward and forevermore. 3. From the rising of the sun to its going down, the Lord's name is to be praised. 4. The Lord is high above all nations, his glory above the heavens. 5. Who is like the Lord, our God, who has his seat on high. 6. Who stoops down to see in heaven and in the earth. 7. He raises up the poor out of the dust, and lifts up the needy from the ash heap. 8. That he may set him with princes, even with the princes of his people. 9. He settles the barren woman in her home as a joyful mother of children. Praise the Lord. The first book of Psalms, chapter 114, verses 1 to 8. 1. When Israel went out of Egypt, the house of Jacob from a people of foreign language. 2. Judah became his sanctuary, Israel his dominion. 3. The sea saw it and fled. The Jordan was driven back. 4. The mountains skipped like rams, the little hills like lambs. 5. What was it you see that you fled? You, Jordan, that you turned back? 6. You mountains, that you skipped like rams? You little hills, like lambs? 7. Tremble, you earth, at the presence of the Lord, at the presence of the God of Jacob. 8. Who turned the rock into a pool of water, the flint into a spring of waters. The first book of Psalms, chapter 115, verses 1 to 18. 1. Not to us, Lord, not to us, but to your name give glory, for your loving kindness and for your truth's sake. 2. Why should the nations say, where is their God now? 3. But our God is in the heavens. He does whatever he pleases. 4. Their idols are silver and gold, the work of men's hands. 5. They have mouths, but they don't speak. They have eyes, but they don't see. 6. They have ears, but they don't hear. They have noses, but they don't smell. 7. They have hands, but they don't feel. They have feet, but they don't walk. Neither do they speak through their throat. 8. Those who make them will be like them. Yes, everyone who trusts in them. 9. Israel, trust in the Lord. He is their help and their shield. 10. House of Aaron, trust in the Lord. He is their help and their shield. 11. You who fear the Lord, trust in the Lord. He is their help and their shield. 12. The Lord remembers us. He will bless us. He will bless the house of Israel. He will bless the house of Aaron. 13. He will bless those who fear the Lord, both small and great. The 14th of May the Lord increase you more and more, you and your children. 15. Blessed are you by the Lord, who made heaven and earth. 16. The heavens are the Lord's heavens, but he has given the earth to the children of men. 17. The dead don't praise the Lord, nor any who go down into silence. 18. But we will bless the Lord from this time forward and forevermore. Praise the Lord. The first book of Psalms, chapter 111, verses 1 to 10. The first book of Psalms, chapter 112, verses 1 to 10. The first book of Psalms, chapter 113, verses 1 to 9. The first book of Psalms, chapter 114, verses 1 to 8. And the first book of Psalms, chapter 115, verses 1 to 18. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.